Brothers Ben and Karos Fedor had an interesting childhood.
There's a lot of fights, a lot of them.
I'd walk out in the yard with my friends and then get hit in the face with a paintball.
My mom would spend a lot of time, crying and trying to pull us apart because we would really go at it. I mean, broomsticks, bats.
We literally set snare traps like you would find for like bunnies against like trees and stuff. You walk in and get yanked up.
Accidentally stabbed once in the hand with a pocket knife.
People need to think, like, if you were to let your kids go in the backyard and just do whatever they wanted to do, what would happen? And that's what our rivalries were like.
It's Stories of Rivalries this week on Sound Effect, Saturday at 10 on KPLU and KPLU.org.